This dish is amazing and I was inspired to emulate after having some amazing Ethiopian food. This dish requires a lot of spice and seasoning, so no particular order. We've got salt, chili, cinnamon, allspice, nigella seeds, black peppercorn, ground fenugreek, coriander seeds, turmeric, cardamom, smoked paprika, cumin seeds. That's it for now. Amounts are due to taste, but we'll start by toasting our seeds and chilies together for a few minutes until fragrant. Just a little bit to help the oils release. Now put into a food processor all together with the powders and blend together with your toasted seasonings. So taste, this is crucial to add more of what you prefer. So you can add some more turmeric, that would cut the spiciness. If you prefer one flavor or other, then add more of that and less of the other things. I'll have the rough values or amounts in the description. If you make loads, then you can also use this for every other thing that you have. It's great. Start frying your diced onion and garlic, as most good dishes start with. And once translucent, add chopped tomatoes and tomato paste together. And the smell of just fried onions and garlic, I know, it just does something to me. It just hits that spot. The crucial bit is your seasoning, as it's the glue that puts all of this together. So be generous and season well. Look how good it is! Oh my god! To make up the mixture, add some stock or water. Then, with rinsed red lentils, add them and cook for at least 30 minutes plus until the lentils are done. Keep covered with a lid to save energy and cook quicker. You can add butter for creaminess with an extra kick of seasoning on top for that extra So just stir it so it melts and it gets more incorporated, but it's great. It's so tempted just to eat it straight from the pan, but you know, we have to plate up. Let it cool a little and then you're ready to serve. This on its own is great, and if you make the seasoning in bulk, you can use it for so many other things. It was so nice, and it pretty much just appeared in my house after a few days. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see made.